Here I am, sat in my car outside Hawley Lakes Sailing Club on a Friday afternoon in the rain. But on the plus side, I'm waiting for the arrival of my new boat, which shouldn't be too much longer. We're running out of daylight, so I doubt if we'll be stepping the mast today, so that's something to do at the weekend. Exciting times. So after the boat arrived on Friday in the pouring rain, it's now Sunday. I've got the task of stepping the mast and getting the boat cleaned up from its journey up the motorway in the rain. So let's get going. I thought it would be a good idea to wheel the boat half into the boat shed with the bow pointing up the way. It enabled me to step the mast with the top of the mast leant up against the roof. That enabled me to attach the lowers and the shrouds and forestay without the help of anybody else. All that's left now to do is to swat up on the rigging guide and get the tensions correct for the shrouds, forestay and lowers, and then go sailing.